Hi guys, so this is me wearing a gratitude t-shirt to say thank you for sticking around with me, for always liking my videos, for always sharing, for always commenting, and above all, for always subscribing. I appreciate you guys big time. Thank you. So on this particular video, I want to share with you just few tips that I know will be very important for you in your YouTube journey. Many creators might have said this, but guys, this is me sharing mine to you. So I hope you enjoyed. Stick around, guys. So on this particular video, I want to share with you things you should avoid as a new YouTuber because it can actually cost you your YouTube channel. I mean, there are lots of creators that have lost their YouTube channel out of ignorance or out of I'll just use the word ignorance because on this space I don't necessarily blame anyone that gets to lose their channel or that gets to have one issue or the other, because trust me, if you think you know it all, YouTube is going to slap you right back in the face and tell you you know nothing at all. So you just have to learn. That's what I said in my previous video. Make sure to stay updated. There could be a new update that you have to be familiar with to avoid losing your channel, to avoid you waking up one morning and seeing an email on your phone telling you your channel has been brought down due to this, due to that. It's not making sense, guys. So do well to stick to every rule, every instructions that YouTube wants you to stick to avoid losing your channel. So number one, guys, on my list is avoid using copyrighted songs. Sounds have made a lot of people lose their channels, guys. Most of them are not even aware. There are lots of music on YouTube that are copyrighted. That's why even on in shorts, the reels, the shorts you get to see around, it's for those using music, right? It's not above 1 minute. It's below a minute, because if you use anything above a minute, your video will be restricted to a particular location. Your video will just be blocked, right? Nobody is going to see it, or rather your video won't be allowed to be uploaded. It will not be uploaded. Even if it's uploaded, you will see the strike there, which is copyright. So guys, make sure you use free music. Make sure you use a sound that is not copyrighted. If you are wondering where you can actually get a free copyright music, it's on the YouTube app, right? You can search for it. There's an application called YouTube Music, right? I might put it up here for you to see. YouTube Music. Go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, you download it and you will see free YouTube music to use. There's also a website, Epidemic Sound, right? That one, I think you have to make a payment so you can be you can have access to the song. You will be licensed to use them to avoid being copyrighted or to avoid being struck as using the copyright song, right? So avoid copyright music. It is very important. A lot of creators do not know this. It's very important, guys. You can just create your music. If you attended a copyright school before, guys, you can create your music. It's possible. Okay, the next on my list, guys, is avoid sub for sub. This necessarily might not bring down your YouTube channel, but I mean, we're talking about things that creators should avoid doing. The little mistakes that creators should avoid. Avoid coming to someone's content creators comment section and telling them, not necessarily them, telling the viewers or other commenters, sub for sub, if you subscribe for me, I'm going to subscribe for you. If you like this, I'm going to like this. Follow for follow, stuff like that. Avoid doing it, guys. It might ruin your channel. Now, not in the sense of bringing down your channel, no, but in your algorithm settings, in your in your analytics. Yes, guys, it will. Let's take for instance, someone subscribes to your channel through that comment section, and that person isn't really interested in what you're doing, right? A lot of people will come and see you have 1,000 subscribers. You have 1,000 subscribers, but every video of yours is not above 20 views. It's not making sense, right? It's expected that your subscribers are the first to view your video, in as much as there are lots of channels that their views are coming from unique viewers, which is viewers that haven't subscribed but they love to view that channel. It happens. That's why in my last video I made sure to state to you that you should make a call to action. Always tell your viewers to subscribe, always tell your viewers to like, always tell your viewers to comment. It is very important, guys. So a lot of viewers do not subscribe to that channel. So if you go to comment section and tell them sub for sub and they sub to your channel and your subscribers keep counting, right, but your views aren't counting, it's not making sense. It's just going to be like this and it's really not making sense. I hope you understand me, right? It's not just about the subscribers counting, it's also about your views counting, your growth, because subscribers and views work hand in hand. If your subscribers are counting, your views should be counting, to avoid seeing that arrow coming down. I don't know if there's anybody that loves seeing the arrow coming down. I hate it. I dislike it, guys. I love my arrow going up and always showing me the green color. It gives me this joy. So guys, do well to avoid that, okay? Subscribers will come, organic subscribers will come, organic viewers will come. So just keep on posting consistently. Most times do not be like me that tend to post today and not post tomorrow. Make sure you post consistently. Set your realistic goals, what you want to achieve, right? Then you will see the rest falling in place. It's happening, guys. It might take time, but it will happen as long as you're consistent in it. So that's that. That's what second mistake you should avoid. Avoid sub for sub, to avoid your analytics going up and down and not knowing where it's actually facing, right? Guys, the third, avoid burnout. That's where realistic goal comes in. That's where setting goals comes in. Avoid burnout. For instance, you keep on posting every day, every day, every day. That's why it's good to set your goals. It's good to set your schedules. Know when you can post and when you cannot post. Because if you say, okay, you can post every day, every day, every day, every day, I mean, it's you doing the videos, right? It's not like anyone's doing the video for you. You are probably going to break down. You're probably going to burn out. So set yourself, set time for yourself. Have time to rest and have time to face the camera. It's very important to avoid burnout, right? It's very, very important. Know when to rest. I think even on YouTube there's a setting where YouTube will tell you to remind you to rest. I don't know if you've come across it. It should be in your settings in the YouTube app. So avoid burnout, guys. It's really, really important. Then the last, guys, is staying consistent without sacrificing quality. Ouch. I mean, how can you stay consistent and not dish out quality? It's not making sense. You being consistent and you're not dishing out something that a lot of people want or a lot of people are yearning to hear. You just keep talking and talking and talking and talking, and it's actually not making sense. And that will also lead to burnout, don't you think? So make sure your content are quality. Make sure your content are something to write home about. Even if they know what you're talking about, there should be one thing that is different from what you have said and what other creators might have said, right? So make sure you dish out quality content to avoid just being consistent and dishing out contents that are not of high quality, right? This are the few mistakes that I feel a lot of YouTubers should avoid making, right? I will see you guys in my next video. Kindly click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share for more videos. Bye for now, guys. See you in my next one.